Welcome back. And in this video, we're going to make our Scratch character look more realistic by adding some animation. So right now our sprite moves, but it doesn't look alive. So let's fix that. So if we go to our costumes tab, here you see different versions of the character. So you see as you can see, there's different versions of the character. Now these are used to create some animation to make your character look alive. So I'm going to go back to the code app tab, and let's start with when the green flag is clicked. Put it on there. So why don't we go to control, and then we drag the forever block and connect it to the when green flag is clicked. So this will keep our animation running. So why don't we go to looks. Now I will say next costume and put it in the block. So this will be a loop that's loops forever. So I'm gonna click when green flag is clicked, click in the green flag, then it will run. You can see some animation right here. So it's a fast animation, but right now it's too fast. So why don't we go back to the control and add a wait 1 second. I'm gonna click it in, and why don't we change it to 0.5. And as you can see right there, it's a more smoother animation than the one that we had before. So why don't we combine this with some movement? So why don't we add a move 10 steps. I'm gonna add that back in the loop, and I will see a walking animation. So you can also flip the direction when moving left or right to make it more natural. So now your sprite doesn't move, doesn't just move, it looks animated. In the next video, we can start building a simple game using everything we have learned. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more.